What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Mommy Longlegs from Poppy Playtime. So, creepy tentacle looking thing. Well, when she's like all hunkered over, which is what we're drawing. So, landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, we're going to start with the head down here, right? And we're just going to get sort of a round shape for the head, right? Because she just does seem to have a sort of a football shaped, and if you're in America, obviously a soccer ball shaped head. Okay, like this little U. And then her hair, right, so it comes spiraling over this, so it comes over the top, and then it goes all the way around to this big spiral, like so. There's a little line there. And then the other side of her hair goes down that way. So we can see her hair is tied up. Again, it's just all these little tubes, sort of. Right, and then wavy sort of spaghetti noodle hair. And don't worry if yours doesn't go like the exact same direction as mine. It's once you get like the general waviness of it, you should be okay. Like so. And then the back of her head sort of there. Okay, so that's like general shape for her head. So then big old eyes in here, right? So we do like a circle. Well, top eyelid maybe first. This is where her eyelashes are. Sort of here, 3 big eyelashes, right? And then the bottom goes around like that. So then she has big green eyes inside. So a big circle. And then her pupils are quite big. Somewhere in the middle. You just color that black. If you, and sort of leaving a white highlight sometimes can help. Or you could put white paint on top of the black as well. Or Tipex works too. So her other eye's over here, so her head's kind of turned away a little bit. So this one's like a little bit smaller. Right, so there. Eyelashes. And then the bottom of her eye. And then a big old green iris. Just, she's looking sort of to the left, right? So it's closer to the middle of her head. The green section is. And then her pupil. And you want to highlight and just color it black. She has no nose, so then we just have that creepy smiling mouth. Goes right up under her eye there, then the bottom. Like that. And then she has like a bit of lipstick on top, so I'll just draw that where that is. And coming around the bottom lip there. And then we'll color it black. Okay, so now there's like a couple of body sections and then hands and feet, and that's all joined up with all these tentacles, right? So her body here, and it's kind of all like turned and twisted and weird looking. So it's like a box. There's a bit of a tube that comes out of it here. This would be her, where's that going? Her hands. So this seems to go back this way, and then her neck comes out from the middle here. And she has like a little necklace. On it there. Right, and then her dress, the top of it, just like that. Okay, and her neck will like join her head, obviously back here somewhere. So then there's another tube that comes out with this body part and joins her like bottom body part, which is another big like football round sort of shape. This tube keeps going down this way, covers some of that. And then there's a line in the middle of this, like so. So all the tubes for her limbs come out from these two, okay? So we'll get her hand, her hands are like here, and then we'll like join them all up together, right? So like there's a hand down here. So we'll do like the bottom of her glove or her wrist. And then like pretty big fingers. Like this. And they're like drawn pretty rudimentary, very simple. Right, 3 of them there. Last one, so she's kind of like a spider, sort of spider feel to this one. One more finger bent up. There. Her other hand is like up, right? Different hand position. So say like the bottom of it. Let's say it will be here. And then we fingers coming out of that. Right, so just very long, curved over fingers. And remember, if I go a bit too fast, just hit your pause button. And then the next one, this would be considered a thumb, but it's very skinny for a thumb. But it has to be a thumb. And then we have the green bottoms of her wristbands here and on the back, just there. And then tubes, right? So we'll do the tubes first, so it comes out this way. So this, we want this to go sort of into her body up here somewhere. It'll probably like disappear, but right, and then oh, I went the wrong side. So this side, oops. So that's the other side of that line. I'll just erase that one, sorry. wasn't paying attention. I went to go into here, but I already had that line there, so I had to go the other side. And then this tube continues, sort of wraps around here. So it goes in under the thumb and into the wrist there somewhere. So now we need her shoes, and they're going 2 different directions. So say like the top of her socks is here. And then this is her like heel. And her boot and shoe kind of comes over this way. There's a bit of a green sock and a button strap here. And there's some lines on this. Right, and the other shoe faces the other direction, and it's kind of behind this hand here. Then we gotta like put tubes and join it up to, I think it's this part. So go waving. I'll get my 2 lines in so I just don't get confused. Like that, perhaps. So did I do? Yeah, and that's the other line, so it goes. Okay, and then this foot. Will go up, then it goes underneath this one, which I hope, yeah, underneath there, and then we'll go like wrap around into the body somewhere here. Boom. And did I forget anything? No, I think that's everything. Mommy long legs from Poppy Playtime. Sorry about that mistake. We all make mistakes. Oh, and like if you want, sometimes like she's real dirty, sort of. So you could add like she's scruffy looking, and there's all tarnished parts to her legs and everything. So like adding little texture lines like this does make the character look a bit like messier and dirtier. So there you go. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.